Period. 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 Hey guys, for this week's video, I thought I would do a review. Hi puppies. For this week's video, hi guys. For this week's video, I thought I would do a review on Kiss Gel Fantasy Ready to Wear Nails. Right there, I got the ones in long. I have always been someone that likes to wear acrylic nails. I used to wear them all the time in high school, and then when I got to college, I became poor. So I couldn't afford getting my nails on anymore, so I've been kind of missing them. So I decided, why not try to get fake ones and see how those work out. I have been wearing these now for a week, and I'm going to show you how I put them on right now. So here's how I did it, and then I'm going to tell you what's wrong with how I did it. So here's how I did it.
Hi, it's me, voiceover Jess. So here you can see I'm taking off my ratty ass nail polish that's been on for probably like 4 weeks now. So I'm just taking it off with, I don't know, like nail polish remover, I guess. So yeah, there's that. And now I am just pressing down my cuticles, even though I didn't like get my hands all hot so that they'd be soft, so it kind of hurt. So yeah, did that. And then it also came, oh, there's me opening the package. So this is what the package looks like, all set up like that. Those are little glue dot things. I don't suggest using those. You'll find out why later, and I'm struggling to open it, as you can see. So it also came with a buffer thing maybe, and something to push your cuticles down. So I just did that again. So that's pretty cool, and just so my nails would lay better. And then here's me opening the packaging, and you're supposed to figure out the sizes for your nails before you put them on, but I was not smart, and I just kind of put them on. I also put way too much glue on them. As you can see, I kind of glued my whole nail down. It sticks really fast, so if you're going to do it, make sure you don't get glue everywhere and you know where you're going to put the nail, because once you put it down, you really cannot move it. And I'm just putting all the nails on and pressing down for like a second or two because it does dry pretty fast. And I ended up having to measure out which nails would fit because it kind of goes by number. So you could do that too. And yeah, I just put some glue on the bottom of my nails and on that nail itself. So there you go. There's my nails. Wow, magic of editing. So cool.
Now, so as you can see, I put a lot of glue on my fingers, and kind of don't think that's how it's supposed to be. The instructions just say like put some like glue on it, but now that I have had it on for a week, I don't know how I'm going to get them off. So as you'll see, some of the fingers did pop off. Like you'll see that later in the video. That's pretty obvious that someone pop off. But these ones have not come off at all. They haven't budged or moved or anything like that. So I don't know how I'm gonna get them off because I've tried to just like see if they'd be loose, if by like pushing them or anything like that, and they're not. So I don't know how I'm gonna get them off because I put way too much glue on them. Even went over the nail, like over my natural nail, so now it's just kind of like a glob of glue under my nail. So that's not great. I was kind of hoping to see if I could like just pop them off and reuse them, if that would be possible. I'm thinking I probably won't be able to do that, and I'm gonna have to cut them and soak them, which is what is suggested. I would have just liked to just been able to pop them all off, you know, but I smothered my hands in glue. Also, don't get the glue on your fingers like I did, because it makes your fingers feel really weird and it dries so fast. Oh my god, it's unbelievable how fast it dries, and it just makes your skin like crinkly. So that's just my suggestion on how to do them. I did have to end up cutting them and filing them because they were too long for me. I thought the long would be like, oh, like my normal size or whatever, but they were pretty long when I actually had them on. So I'd probably try mediums next time because cutting and filing just took some time, and I accidentally popped off one of my nails from filing it. So here's some videos I took throughout the week with updates based on the days, I guess. I didn't do an update every day. Day 2 with my nails, still holding up good. I'm gonna go shower now, and I'm going to go see how they turn out in the shower and if they're good or if they fall off. So, here we go. Okay, here's me fresh out of the shower, and I'm like really freaking pretty. So the nails held up when I was doing my hair. It had no problems. I didn't even get like hair stuck like underneath how I did with my other acrylics when I used to have them. I was cleaning my room. gonna glue it back on. But yeah, 3 days in, 1 nail off. Great. I think I'm on day 6 or 5, but one of my nails did pop off. I kind of think it was my fault because I was like pushing underneath it because it got so much like avocado underneath my nails. So I was pushing underneath it and then it popped off. And then my nails were really bothering me, so I tried to pop off this one, but I ended up taking up like my whole nail, so that really hurt. And now I'm like worried how I'm gonna take them off. So I don't know what's gonna happen there. But yeah, there's an update for you. See, these 2 fingers love to pop off. I'm not completely shocked by that. I use them the most with everything. I did try to, so there's 2 methods to putting on the nails, as you saw in my nail tutorial. I did use the glue. They also have these sort of like glue dot things. Here they are. I tried one of these out yesterday when I was headed to New York, and my nail fell off like 7 times. It was the most annoying thing ever. I couldn't use my pointer fingers. I don't think they worked at all. I don't know if I did it wrong. I just stuck it on the back and stuck it on my nail. I don't think I did it wrong. I thought I read the directions, but then again, I can't really read and I don't comprehend very well. So I definitely wouldn't recommend using the glue dots. They sucked. So I would use the glue that comes with it. Make sure you put the lid on it, because if you don't put the lid on it, then the whole glue hardens up and then you won't have any extra glue. It popped off quite a few times, which was kind of upsetting. I mean, I took this one off myself because it was just bothering me for some reason. So I took it off, but it broke off my entire nail and really hurt. So I also wouldn't recommend doing that, which is why I don't know how I'm going to take all the rest of them off. So I would definitely still recommend getting them. I like the nails. They're only $8, which I think is a steal for these nails. People thought I got them professionally done, which is great. And even like they're matte, which would cost more. I usually paid for my acrylic nails around $40 for gel with no designs or anything like that. I know a lot of people pay less than that, but I've never been able to find a place around here that does gel acrylics, because regular acrylics can chip. Does gel acrylics for less than that. So these for $8 was a really good deal. I probably just keep like nail glue with me and just put them back on, because I think it was definitely worth the $8. And they look great. I've actually had no problem really with them besides them popping off. Just like feeling wise, I became used to them within like 24 hours. It was just like I had my other acrylics on. There's really no difference to these than my past acrylics. That's my little review of them. So yeah, I got these from ULTA if you want to get them too. Target sells them as well. If you guys want to try these out, let me know what you thought of them, and if you have any suggestions on how to get them to stay better or not glue your entire fingers off like me. Comment down below anything you liked about this video or what you want to see next, or if you want me to review anything next. And my Instagram is @jessica.harnett, where you can follow me in my amazing, super cool, terrific, fantastic, like sick and dope life. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 100 subscribers. So that's pretty exciting. I post every Thursday, so hit that subscribe button. It's my little cute little face right here. Mwah. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.